Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, In the Kitchen with Ash. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious boom boom, bang bang, firecracker shrimp tacos, whatever you want to call them. I'm making them. This is a must-have recipe on Taco Tuesday. Let's jump straight into the video. I'm going to show you guys how I make my fried shrimp. I'm going to take some Old Bay, some Accent, some Chef Paul Magic Blacken seasoning. The exact measurements will be in the description box below. Okay, so now it's time to make our batter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour some flour into a bowl. We're gonna set it aside. We're gonna take 2 eggs, crack those eggs. Please act like y'all did not see me drop a shell into that egg mix. We're gonna act like that never happened right there, and we gonna move on. So what you want to do now is you want to take your shrimp, and we are going to pick out our favorite hot sauce, and we are going to put it in that bowl with the shrimp. Take some mustard and put the mustard in the bowl with the shrimp. Please, y'all, be easy with the mustard. You don't want your shrimp to taste like yellow mustard. The less, the better. So once we have our shrimp nice and coated, we are going to put it in the same bowl as the egg yolk. We're going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll be back to coat it before we put it in the deep fryer. I'm just adding a little bit of extra seasoning. That is my Chef Paul Blacken Magic seasoning, as well as my Old Bay seasoning that I added into that bowl. So y'all know the drill. We're going to put that shrimp into breadcrumb mix, and then we're going to put it into some flour, and we are going to set it aside. Once again, it goes shrimp into the breadcrumb mix, back into the yolk, into the flour, set aside. This is how it should look. My deep fryer has been on 350, and now it is time to put the shrimp into the deep fryer and let it get nice and crispy. All right, y'all, it's time to take that shrimp out. This is what we're working with right here. I'm gonna give you guys a moneymaker shot and show you guys how this shrimp looks on a plate. All right, so it's time to make our sauce. I'm going to take some mayonnaise. I took 3 tablespoons. If you're not a fan of mayonnaise, the less mayonnaise, the better. We're then going to take some Siracha sauce. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And we're gonna throw it in that bowl with the mayonnaise, and we're gonna give it a mix. The more hot sauce, the spicier, obviously. So if you're not a fan of that spicy taste, the less, the better. We're then going to take some sweet and chili sauce, and we're going to put that in the same bowl. I'm not going to drop exact measurements because I want you guys to taste as you go. If you need something, add it. I'm going to give you guys an up close angle of how that sauce should look. Okay, so now it's time to assemble our tacos. So I just took the taco shells. I have a flour taco shell, and I'm going to put that onto some grease and let it fry up like so. I'm then going to put my base, which is going to be lettuce. I take 3 shrimps and put them on each taco. I then have some cut up cilantro that I'm going to put on top. I then am going to put that delicious sauce that we made. And voila, you guys, there goes our tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Of course, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of presentation. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Bye.